Hi, this is Rebecca from Equator, and today I'm going to show you how to use Equator to find LiDAR point cloud data, turn that LiDAR point cloud data into contours or other elevation products, and how to download it in a format that works with your CAD software. So to get started, find your location. You can navigate to the specific location with an address or coordinates using the search bar at the top. I've already found my spot here. And then use the blue button at the bottom to set up a new site. You can choose from one of the defaults, or you can draw a custom boundary. For this example, I'm just going to stick with the default. Zoom in a little more, and then click Continue when I'm happy with the boundaries. In the Data menu, then scroll down to find the point cloud product, click it, and what you'll see here is that all of the different sources that we've consolidated are going to show up. So one of the best parts about Equator is you can just find all the point cloud data that you need from trusted government sources already built in. USGS, NOAA, and so on. And there's helpful tags that let you know if it's new or high quality and different attributes of that information. So for example, when I open this up, I can see that this is a LiDAR point cloud survey collected from the USGS between 2016, April, and May 2016. And it's a quality level 2 dataset, which means it's extremely accurate to within a few centimeters. So once you've selected the dataset that you want to work with, click on Continue, then click Generate, and basically immediately those point clouds will be loaded right into your site. And it's automatically colorized based on the height gradient. To format that data, you can navigate to the layer list, click on the point cloud layer, and you can choose if you want to display all the points, which is what's currently shown, or just ground only points. On top of that, you can play with the height range. As I said, the data is colorized based on the elevation gradient. So if you want to play with those numbers a little bit, let's see, 200 or even go down to 100, you can do that in here. Now to download that data, go to the layer list, click on the blue download icon, select the file format, and if you want all of the points or just the ground only points. I'm going to export just the ground only points, and then select your coordinate system. We're going to be suggesting defaults based on your geographic area where you're working in, but if you know specifically what coordinate system you want to work with, just type it in or find it in the list. Once that's done, you can click on Process, and within a couple of minutes, you're going to have a file that's downloaded to your computer with all of the data you found in Equator. And there we go. Next, I'm going to show you how to turn the point cloud data into contours. And that's done using the Data menu as well. So navigate back to the Data menu. Now this time we're going to click on Contours. Again, we're going to select the same source, so the highest quality and the newest data. Click Continue. Now this time you have a few more choices. So you can select from one of the presets if you want smooth contours, detailed contours. What that means basically is we're going to create a higher or a lower resolution contour product for you based on the area of your site. Or you can go fully customizable. So if you want to specify the contour resolution to something specific, you can change that here, as well as the contour interval. So I could change this to 10, for example, and then an output interval of 2. Click on Generate. And then very quickly, again, those contours are going to be generated directly based on your specifications. So let's just validate that. If I click on a contour, I can see the elevation, 4 meters. If I click on the next one, elevation, 6 meters. So visualized in 2-meter intervals. Now to download that contour data, it's the same as the point cloud. Navigate to the layer list, click on the blue arrow with the, click on the blue download icon. Select your file format, and here there's a few different options. So shapefile, 2 drawing formats, DXF or DWG. Most of our users are going to be looking for the DWG format, which is most compatible with software like Civil 3D or Bentley MicroStation, and also SVG format if you're doing design in software like Illustrator, for example. So I'm going to select DWG, and then select the coordinate system. I'll make that the default so I don't have to choose it again. And then hit Process. Great, so now that data has downloaded as well too. So if you navigate back to the data menu, you can explore on your own some of the other products that you have available. Similar to the contours, you can also generate a digital elevation model or a digital surface model directly from the point cloud, and then enhance your site understanding with other products like parcels and building outlines. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck with your project.